I greet you all and welcome you to the lesson. Today we are going to analyze what we call strategy methodologies. The topic is the practice of strategy. So by the end of this lesson, you should be able to analyze at least 4 strategy methodologies, which are the specific sets of tools and structured processes that organizations use to bridge the gap between thinking about strategy and doing it. Because it's one thing to just think about a strategy or just have it on paper, but it's another thing to implementing it or doing it. So these methods ensure that the process of doing it is rigorous, is collaborative, and also evidence-based. And one such tool is what we call strategy workshops. Conducting strategy workshops. They are also called strategy away days, also known as strategy away days. Strategy away days. Strategy away days or retreats. Strategy retreats. So strategy workshops are also known as strategy retreats or strategy away days. Understand? These are intensive short-term events that can take 1 to 3 days, where the key stakeholders gather away from daily operational distractions. They gather away. You go to a different location. It will be a hotel. You camp there. You have a retreat for 1 day, for 2 days, for 3 days. And the purpose is to share wide-ranging information, to share challenge existing assumptions, and also to build a collective consensus on the future direction of the company. So that is one methodology. Okay? That is one strategy methodology. You understand? Yes. It is one methodology. You understand? And during these workshops, you may use facilitation techniques like the SWOT analysis, like scenario planning. You can use the blue ocean brainstorming, and so on. So those are some of the techniques that you can use when you go to a strategy retreat. Then number 2, the second strategy methodology is what we call strategy projects. Strategy projects. Strategy projects are time-bound, focused assignments designed to solve a specific strategic problem or to explore a new opportunity. They are time-bound, focused assignments. These are time-bound, focused assignments. Underline the word project. Projects must have a time period. So strategy projects are time-bound, focused assignments designed to solve a specific strategic problem. Designed to solve a specific problem or to explore a new opportunity. So these strategy projects are typically managed by a dedicated team with a clear start and end date. And this team could be a team of middle managers or strategic planners or a mix of the two. So it is a team that is put together to solve a specific problem within a given time frame. It could be 1 month or 2 months. Examples could include market entry study for, say, Ethiopia, or it could be a digital transformation project. It can be any project. You understand, candidates? So they allow the company to dive into a complex issue without disrupting the regular functional departments. So you form a team of middle managers or strategic planners, and so that is a second strategy methodology. The third strategy methodology is known as hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing, on the other hand, is derived from the scientific method and popular in top-tier consulting firms, and the methodology focuses on proving or disapproving a strategic guess. Focuses on proving or disapproving. Focuses on proving or disapproving. The method focuses on proving or disapproving a strategic guess. You understand? So the process, candidates, starts by instead of gathering all data, the team starts with an initial hypothesis. For example, you can start by saying we can increase profit by 20% if we switch to a subscription model. If we switch to a subscription model, we can increase our profits by 20%. So that is a hypothesis. So you start with that hypothesis, then you test it. You then gather only the specific data that is needed to test that statement. If the data disapproves the hypothesis, then you pivot the new one. You understand? You start with an hypothesis, then you test it. That's why we are calling it hypothesis testing. And one benefit of hypothesis testing is that it is much faster and more efficient than traditional boil the ocean research, where you analyze everything. No, here you only analyze, you gather data that is just relevant to the hypothesis question. You understand? Yes, that is a third strategy methodology. The fourth strategy methodology is known as the business case. The business case, the case study. Okay? Here, a focus document is used to justify a specific investment or project. You understand? A focus document is used to justify a specific investment. Focus document is used. So you use a focus document to justify a specific investment. It could be a specific investment or a specific project. To justify a specific investment or a specific. And here, the key component could be the strategic rationale. It could be the financials, which could be the cost or return on investment. It could be risks and even implementation timeline. And the purpose is to get buy-in from the board or buy-in from investors for a single move. And that is the business case, candidates. So we have the business case. We can even combine it with the strategic plans. You can have the business case and the strategic plan. Now, strategic plan, what we have described here is the business case, but the strategic plan is A comprehensive document outlining the overall direction of the entire organization for a period of 3 to 5 years. And the key components are the mission, the vision, environmental analysis, the strategic objectives. Strategic planning will also have resource allocation, and the performance, the key performance indicators, and so on. So the purpose of a strategic plan is to have a roadmap for the entire firm and then align all the value chain activities towards achieving that one vision or mission. That is another strategy methodology. Business case, there is also another one, strategic plan. And that's the end of today's lesson on strategy methodologies. We have discussed 4 strategy methodologies, which we've said are the specific tools of the specific tools and the structured processes that an organization can use to bridge the gap between thinking about a strategy and doing it. So the first methodology is strategy workshops. Number 2 is strategy projects. Number 3, hypothesis testing. Number 4, the business case and strategic plan. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.